Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove reflections from photos on OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro smartphones. So let's open a photo in our Photos app. This one has many light reflections on it. Basically the reflection remover tool that is pre-installed on this phone that I want to show you in this video will remove things like here and there. You can see how the light reflects on the objects in the background that make us lose the focus on the object in the middle. Of course, this reflection will also be kind of blurred, but let me show you how exactly it does its job. So tap on the pencil icon and go to AI editor and swipe to remove reflections option. Then just tap on it and the AI will do its job by itself. So it detected the reflections and it removed it from the screen, and now we can clearly focus on the object in the middle. If you compare both of the photos, we can see that there is much less light in the background of the photo. And now tap done, and now we can, if you want to remove the reflection of an object, you can use the AI eraser tool. And now let's draw a line around the object that we want to remove from the photo. So like this, and more or less it did its job. So now the reflection is removed. Not perfectly, I think we could make a couple of adjustments here, but generally speaking, now the work is done. Now we can save it as a copy and compare it to the original. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.